Public access AEDs are designed to be easy to use and often placed in locations where large numbers of people are gathering. These life-saving devices are found in many settings, but their size, weight and storage temperature limitations can sometimes restrict where they can be placed. Ideally, a defibrillator should always be close by if someone collapses in sudden cardiac arrest. The best solution is one that is lightweight, easy to carry, easy to manage remotely, competitively priced, and able to be stored in a wide range of temperatures, including those commonly found in vehicles and outdoor environments. The HeartHero Elliot AED has been designed with portability in mind. It's smaller, lighter and easier to carry than many traditional public access AEDs, while offering a wider range of storage temperatures. Through the HeartHero app, you can manage your Elliot AED, or lots of them, in multiple locations, all in one place. Whilst it can be installed in an AED cabinet just like any other defibrillator, the real advantage of the Elliot is portability. It can also be carried with you, stored in vehicles, response bags, first aid kits or equipment cases. This makes it ideal for mobile teams, large workplaces, sports coaches, community responders, individuals, vehicle fleets, and anyone working away from fixed buildings. Rather than relying on someone running to a wall-mounted AED cabinet, the Elliot can be taken directly to where people are working, gathering or travelling. In many emergencies, especially on larger sites or in outdoor environments, this can significantly reduce the time to the first shock. By being lighter, lower cost and easier to transport, the HeartHero Elliot helps expand access to defibrillation, ensuring life-saving equipment is available wherever people may need it.